नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौरभक्त वृंदा rejuvenating text 17 and text 18 of chapter 1 the activities of Maharaj Priyavrat of 5th canto the creative impulse of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 17. भयं प्रमत्तस्य वनेष्वपि स्याद् यतः स आस्ते सह षट् सपत्नः जितेन्द्रिय स्यात्म रतेर्बुधस्य गृहाश्रमः किमनु karotyavadyam. Even if he goes from forest to forest, one who is not self-controlled must always fear material bondage because he is living with six co-wives, the mind and knowledge acquiring senses. Even householder life, however, cannot harm a self-satisfied learned man who has conquered his senses. Srila Narottam Das Thakur has sung, Gruhe va vanete thake aha gaurang abale dakke. Whether one is situated in the forest or at home, if he is engaged in the devotional service of Lord Chaitanya, he is a liberated person. Here this is also repeated. For one who has not controlled his senses, going to the forest to become a so-called yogi is meaningless. Because his uncontrolled mind and senses are going with him, he cannot achieve anything even by giving up his household life and staying in the forest. Formerly, many mercantile men from the upcountry of India used to go to Bengal, and thus there is a familiar saying, if you go to Bengal, your fortune will go with you. Our first concern therefore should be to control the senses. And since the senses cannot be controlled unless engaged in the devotional service of the Lord, our most important duty is to engage the senses in devotional service. Rishikesh Sevanam Bhaktir Uchchate. Bhakti means engagement of the purified senses in the service of the Lord. Herein Lord Brahma indicates that instead of going in the forest with uncontrolled senses, it is better and more secure to engage the senses in the service of the Lord. Even a householder life can do no harm if a self-controlled person acting in that way, it cannot force him into material bondage. Srila Rupa Goswami has further enunciated this position. Iha yasya hare dasye karmana manasa gira nikhilashva api avasthasu jivan muktah sa uchchate. Regardless of one's circumstances, if one fully engages his activities, mind and words in the devotional service of the Lord, he should be understood to be a liberated person. Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur was a responsible officer and a householder, yet his service to the cause of expansion of the missionary activity of Lord Chaitanya is unique. Srila Prabodhananda Saraswati Thakur says, Durdantendriya Kala Sarpa Patali Protkhat Damashtrayate. The senses and sense organs are certainly our greatest enemies, and they are therefore compared to venomous serpents. However, if a venomous serpent is bereft of its poison fangs, it is no longer fearful. Similarly, if the senses are engaged in the service of the Lord, there is no need to fear their activities. The devotees in the Krishna's consciousness movement move within this material world, but because their senses are fully engaged in the service of the Lord, they are always aloof from the material world. They are always living in the transcendental position. Text 18. Yaha shata sapatnan vijigishmano gruheshu niravishya yatet purvam atyeti durgashrita urjita rina kshineshu kamama vichared vipashchitah. One who is situated in household life and who systematically controls his mind and the five sense organs is like a king in his fortress who conquers his powerful enemies. After one has been trained in household life and his lusty desires have decreased, he can move anywhere without danger. The Vedic system of 4 varnas and 4 ashramas is very scientific, and its entire purpose is to enable one to control the senses. Before entering household life, Grihastha ashram, a student is fully trained to become Jitendriya, a conqueror of the senses. Such a mature student is allowed to become a householder, and because he was first trained in conquering his senses, He retires from household life and becomes vanaprastha as soon as the strong waves of youthful life are past and he reaches the verge of old age at 50 years or slightly more. Then, after being further trained, he accepts sannyas. He is then a fully learned and renounced person who can move anywhere and everywhere without fear of being captivated by material desires. The senses are considered very powerful enemies. As a king in his strong fortress can conquer powerful enemies, so a householder in Grihastha ashram in household life can control the lusty desires of youth and be very secure when he takes vanaprastha and sannyas. Hari Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.